Thanks for joining us today on this journey. My name is Andre Page. I'm here from IDS Imaging and Allure Technology. And today we have a special guest.
Hi, my name is Torsten Nelson. I'm from IDS Imaging.
Thanks for joining us today, Torsten. So I want to jump right into things. We have a beautiful portfolio today of area scan, but this one in particular stood out to me. This is the 2D area scan model.
Yeah, that's one of our FA camera series, which means factory automation. And what we like to highlight with this camera specifically is the IP65-67 rating. So that means, in all practical sense, waterproof, factory automation proof, dust proof. You could even dunk it underwater.
Nice. So with that IP rating, is housing required?
No, so this actually makes it so you don't need any further protection for any kind of ruggedized environments. Obviously, there's limits. It's an IP65-67 rated camera, so that means it goes up to a point, waterproof and protected. But if you introduce explosions or something along those lines, then a housing would be necessary. But for most uses, you do not need additional protective housing.
Nice. So besides being able to put this in our fish tank, what are some other applications we can use this in?
Yeah, it's a great question. So it's very, very widely used for applications in factories that tend to be a lot of dust or a lot of dirt, oil. I've seen it been used near weld applications. So then there's sparks or general aspects that would damage a traditional IP30 rated camera.
Nice. Thanks for confirming that. So while we're still on this, what are some of the features, like a top feature specifications?
Yeah, so I think the biggest thing to highlight is the IP rating, but we offer more or less all of our sensors in this housing as well. So if you have a sensor that you like and you want to put it in a rugged environment, think you want to put it in a farming application, this model, the FA series from IDS, would be a good option for that.
What's the frame rate we can expect with this?
Again, we have more or less all of our sensors from our portfolio available in this model, so you can go for anything from low resolution, low frame rates, to higher frame rates, higher resolution. I think it goes up to 20 megapixels.
So before we wrap up today, is there anything else you would like to tell us about these?
Yeah, it's a very versatile camera. It's deployed in everywhere from factory automation to agricultural applications to inspection applications requiring an additional level of protection on the camera technology. And waterproof is just opening the door to a lot of other applications that require hose down after the fact or anything of the like.
How water resistant is this?
So it's IP65-67 rated, which means it's able to be watertight up to 1 meter. From there, I would be cautious, but for the most part, it is, in all practical sense, waterproof.
Well, that's pretty impressive. That's all I have today, Torsten. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And all the information.
Thank you very much.
If you need any of these items, feel free to reach out to me at andre.page@luretech.io, and I'll be happy to assist you with the IDS area scan portfolio.